Stop. Is earwax good or bad? Baby's earwax should be clean or not? When you put oil in baby's ears, what is the right way to clean baby's ear? Is wax good or bad? The wax you see in baby's ear canal is waterproof lining and it protects baby's ears from germs, dirt and infections. If you keep cleaning baby's ear canal and you keep getting wax out, ear canal will be more prone to infections and it can damage ear canal or eardrum. Most of the time you don't need to clean baby's ear wax because ear canal is self-cleansing and wax comes out automatically. If you are agree with this point, hit the like button. How to clean baby's ear right way? After bath, take soft, clean cotton cloth, wrap around your first finger, clean whatever dirt is visible in outer part of the ear. That is it. Don't try to clean baby's inner ear or ear canal. If you notice buildup of earwax in baby's ear and baby have some difficulties, baby have heaviness or baby is crying due to pain or baby have difficulty in hearing, consult with your pediatrician or pediatric ENT specialist. They can give you the best solution. If you haven't yet, please subscribe this channel for more informative videos. Can you put oil in baby's ear? Please don't put any kind of oil in baby's ear because oil can stay there and cause infections. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you soon.